Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. I like to present my paper with the title High Efficiency Process on the Salted Egg Preparation through the Parameter Optimization by using Takuji method. My name is Gatot Trianto from Mechanical Engineering Faculty of Buana Perjuangan University, Karawang. I like to say thanks to Muhammadiyah Magelang University that was holding Borobudur International Symposium program. My best regard for Mr. Sukarman STMT and Mr. Muhammad Taufiqul Hakim SSIMT as my supervise. Problematic background. Point 1. The impact of high salt content after egg salting process give the egg yolk a pleasant taste and unique taste. Point 2. Based on observation from several literature, data shows that the salting process takes around 10 until 21 days. For example, in the salting process in salted egg production, it is stated that the egg salting process takes around 17 days. Research purposes. Getting the most optimum parameter to reduce salting egg process time with minimum 2% salt content based on SNE 01/4277/1996. Point 2. Supporting economic growth for small businesses and middle enterprise, especially duck eggs farming and salted eggs production. Research method. Design and assemble the incubator with 15 cm diameter and 50 cm length. On the right side, picture shows the schematic diagram for the incubator working system. Salting experiment design using the Takuji method. Code A is sending paper grade R 800 roughness, 1000 roughness, 1200 roughness. Code B is pressure that was used R 5 psi, 10 psi as the second level, and 15 psi as the third level. Code C is temperature. 30 degrees Celsius is the first level, 32 degrees Celsius is the second level, 34 degrees Celsius is the third level. And the last code is T. T is time duration that was used are 3 days. Material. First is 8 pieces duck egg. 5 pieces will be broken to separate the egg yolk and take the egg white to measure the salt concentration. 3 or 2 pieces duck egg will be boiled to check the egg yolk appearance and testing the taste. Second material is 1 kilogram of soil. The third, half kilogram of sand. Fourth, half kilogram of brick fragment. The fifth material, 1 kilogram salt. And the sixth material is 1 liter water. Tools and device. The first device is salinimeter to measure the salt concentration in egg white. Second tools is measurement glass to make sure 1 kilogram or 1 liter water that used to make salt pass. The third device weight scale to measure how many kilogram of soil, sand, brick fragment, and salt. The fourth tool is stirrer, was used for stirring the egg white. Flow process. First process is washing the egg from mud and dark phases. Second process is sanding the dark egg surface. Third, dark egg weight scaling. The fourth, giving the dark egg salt pass. Fifth process, when giving salt pass process was done, put the dark egg inside the incubator, setting the pressure and temperature. Then, let the dark egg inside incubator for 3 days duration. Sixth process is washing dark egg from salt pass and wipe using clean tissue to make the egg dry to do second weight scaling as the seventh process. Eighth process are broke the egg, separate the egg white and egg yolk, then measure the salt concentration in egg white. Value of salt concentration on the salinity meter will be used as input data in Taguchi method. Result and discussion. When whole the process was passed, the result are the egg has salt taste and when and providing tiny oil around the egg yolk. The dark egg that was broken has hardened egg yolk and high salt concentration in egg white. Analysis signal to noise ratio. Based on the value that's shown by salinity meter, input all the value result into Taguchi application to do analyze. In the analyze Taguchi, larger is better has been chosen as the option. Because when the value is larger than SNE standard is better. In this slide shows that the pressure has the first rank and confirm the previous research that pressure gives highest impact on salting egg process. Interaction plot between sanding, pressure, temperature on result of egg salting process. This is the ANOVA graphic interaction between sanding roughness, pressure, and temperature inside the incubator. Conclusion. Point 1. Research confirmed that pressure has significant impact on egg salting process, and then followed by temperature and sanding roughness. Egg salting process can be reduced become 3-day duration with 4.06% salt concentration rate as the result, which means the salt concentration is fulfill the requirement of SNE standard. Also, the egg yolk become hardened. The third point, salt concentration in egg white is 4.06%. It is twice multiple than SNE standard requirement. So, there are potential to shorter the egg salting process less than 3 days. Point 4, there are potential to do further research to analyze the salt concentration result that drop when the pressure is 15 psi. I think that's all my paper presentation. I wish luck and success for everyone who joined Borobudur International Symposium Program. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.